I'm most excited about graduating. This is my last semester, so there's a lot of opportunities in this semester and afterwards. So I'm looking forward to having a great last semester and just doing the best that I can.
I'm excited to meet new people for sure. Every semester I meet at least 1 to 2 people that I really connect with, so I'm excited for that. I also like to write a lot, so I'm taking a creative writing elective, which I'm really excited about.
If I could give a piece of advice to a new student or a returning student who's nervous about the semester, I would say that can't is not an option. Don't doubt yourself, just go into the semester with a positive attitude and everything will work out for you.
The advice that I would give any students that are hesitant this semester is to find a group that you can connect with and develop your community. Once you're more connected to the university, you'll be more likely to stay in school, to excel, and to really just have a great college experience.